Hey everyone, welcome to another anatomy lecture for MRCS exam. So today's topic is the celiac trunk. We know that the celiac trunk, it is one of the branch of the abdominal aorta. That means the direct branch of the abdominal aorta, and it is the anterior branch of the abdominal aorta. We know that the abdominal aorta, it has a different side branch, such as the anterior branches, posterior branches, lateral branches, and terminal branches. Among them, the celiac trunk, it is the anterior branch of the abdominal aorta. And this celiac trunk, it has three branches. First of all, the left gastric artery, which supplies the stomach. Then hepatic artery, or common hepatic artery, it supplies the liver, gallbladder, some parts of the pancreas and other structure also. Then splenic artery. So the celiac trunk, it has three branches: left gastric, hepatic, and splenic artery. Here we can see this is the celiac trunk, and this celiac trunk, it arises from the abdominal aorta, and it is the anterior branch of the abdominal aorta. And after arising, it gives some important branch. First of all, here we can see this is the left gastric artery. Then this branch, this is the common hepatic artery, and the third one is the splenic artery. So first of all, celiac trunk, it gives the left gastric artery, common hepatic artery, and the splenic artery. The left gastric artery, it supplies the stomach and part of the esophagus also. Here we can see this is the branches which gives to the stomach, and some branch goes to the lower part of the esophagus at the gastroesophageal junction. It supplies the lower part of the esophagus. Then here we can see this is the common hepatic artery. This common hepatic artery, it divides also in three parts. Here we can see this is the proper hepatic artery, then this is the gastroduodenal artery, and here one is the right gastroepipuloic artery, right gastric artery. So right gastric artery, proper hepatic artery, and gastroduodenal artery. So these three branches from the common hepatic artery. And this gastroduodenal artery, it also supplies the duodenum. So the common hepatic artery, it supplies the liver, it supplies the gallbladder, it supplies the cystic duct, and it also supplies the pancreas, and it supplies some part of the stomach and also the duodenum. On the other hand, here we can see the splenic artery. Splenic artery, when it goes after reaching to the spleen, it gives other branches. It gives splenic branches, and after giving the splenic branches, it also divides into some parts. Here we can see short gastric artery. So short gastric artery, it arises from this splenic artery, and this splenic artery also gives another branch, which is the left gastroepipuloic artery. So the splenic artery, it also gives three branches: splenic branches, short gastric arteries, and left gastroepipuloic artery. So here again we can see this is the celiac trunk. The celiac trunk arises from this large vessel, which is the abdominal aorta. And from here, the common hepatic artery, this one is the common hepatic artery. Here this is the left gastric, and this is the splenic artery. Then hepatic artery, it gives three important branches. Here we can see the right gastric artery, gastroduodenal artery, and superior pancreaticoduodenal artery, and cystic artery. Actually, it is not, this point should be removed. It is the not superior pancreaticoduodenal artery. It is the, this is the proper hepatic artery, because the superior pancreaticoduodenal artery, it is branched from the gastroduodenal artery. So this is not superior pancreaticoduodenal artery, it is the proper hepatic artery. This is the proper hepatic artery. So this picture, another picture, and it also very clear. Here we can see this is the celiac trunk, and it's giving three important branches: left gastric, this one is the common hepatic, and this one is the splenic artery. So the branches of splenic artery: short gastric artery, left gastroepipuloic artery, and splenic branch, and occasionally may gives to the inferior pharynx artery, but it is not important. Splenic artery gives to the spleen, then short gastric, then left gastroepipuloic artery. So here they are showing the same picture So this is the celiac trunk. Now at a glance, it has three branches: left gastric, hepatic, and splenic. Left gastric, hepatic, and splenic. Thank you all.